But from this day now, after this day, we'll be looking for sales, holding bearish buyers, still bearish, still bearish. We're holding our buyers being bearish. So we can see there's reaction from probably this fair value gap here. Yeah, I'm an ICT trader, so we use fair value gap for that block and the rest there. So you can even see the reaction from the fair value gap and it pushed it down. So we're still holding bearish buyers. This will have been taken now. So even after it's taken, we're not saying we want it to start reversing that back. That is not our business. We're still holding bearish buyers. See the record. Okay, still recording. Yeah. We're still holding bearish buyers here. Taking relative equal lows here that have been taken out. So we are still holding bearish buyers no matter what. So we can say there's fair value gap here.